Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm trying this ponytail on my hair, the one I've never done before, because my hair is very short at the moment. I can't do any more styles, so this is the first time I ever try to like give myself a ponytail and see how it looks. So I hope you like this video. Let's get into it. I've never done this before. I just want to give it a try because my hair is quite kinky, very difficult to lay. My hair is freshly washed. To start with is a brush through. I'm also going to use this. My hair is very thick, really. Next, I'm going to try my styling gel. I'm going to try this and see how it is. If it's not good, if it's not laying it well, I may use the Gorilla Gel, or I may also try this one. This got to be glued. So I'm starting with this first. So this is Eco Styler Gel I put into my hair. I'm going to brush through and see how it will be. So next I'm going to try this Gorilla Gel and add to it, because I can see the Eco Styler Gel is not holding my hair properly. You can see they are still standing. They are very stubborn hair I have. Looks like it's working. First time ever I feel like I can hold all of my hair behind. It's so very short. Oh my god, my fussy hair is growing. I'm going to try this brush. I put it into this elastic band. I don't know if it will hold, but I will try. So this is the first time ever I've been able to like slick down my hair because it's very short and kinky. When you brush it, it rolls back. I'm going to scarf it, let it dry, and then I put on my ponytail and see how it looks. So guys, now my hair is very dry. I'm going to put on my ponytail, so let me show you how it looks. So that's how it looks, guys. I bought this myself and prepared it, so I'm going to use this into my ponytail. I wanted to put some kind of headband on my hair, but I don't have any, so I decided to use my bandana, which I think is okay. So let me know what you think, guys. This is my first ever ponytail I'm trying. I've never done this before. I hope it looks okay. I hope I get better with it. Leave your comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.